Today we begin with our social studies next lesson 4, that is India physical features. Okay, do you remember what is the third chapter? Our universe, right? Then fourth chapter is India location and neighboring countries, and fifth is India physical features. Okay, so kindly take out your books, dear children, and page number 82. Okay, have you all taken? Okay, very good. So, shall we move on to the topic? Yes. Okay, dears. Rakesh Sharma, do you know? The first Indian to go into a space. Okay, who is the first man who go into space? Rakesh Sharma. So, Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian to go into a space, and was the first man who saw the country from the space. Okay, and say, best in the world. Or he said, best in the world. He is the first man who saw the country from the space and say, best in the world. If you get a chance to go into space, what would have you say, children, if you would have seen the country from the space? Certainly the same, right? Yes, you also say burst in the world. Not only because of our country, but because it is really beautiful. Okay, and also God has blessed our country with physical features, and these physical features which are formed naturally, which makes the country stand apart on the world. Okay, yes, it is very beautiful. God has blessed our country with some physical features, and India has got certain physical features, and that makes different. What are they? Do you know that? Firstly, India is the seventh largest country in the world. You all know, right? India is the seventh largest country in the world. It has a very mighty ocean on its name. That is, can you name that? Yes, that is Indian Ocean. And also, India happens to be the largest continent. That is Asia. Okay, so India has mighty ocean on its name. That is Indian Ocean, and it has the largest continent, that is Asia. Okay, and the southern tip of India is peninsula. Okay, peninsula is surrounded by three sides with water. Okay, already we learned this. And so the southern tip of India is peninsula. Okay, have you understood? So today we are going to learn about physical features. Okay, dears, what is that? Physical features. Dears, look page number 82. I am reading, just follow me, okay? India is a large country. It has different kinds of physical features. It has high mountain, plateaus, desert, island, and plains. Once again, I am reading. India is a large country. It has different kind of physical features. High mountains, plateaus, desert, island, and plains. So, physical features are the things you can see physically, right? You can see physically. And these physical features are God gifted and not man made. Okay, it's formed naturally. So, what is physical features? Physical features are the things which occurs naturally or which formed naturally. Okay, and it is not man made. And also, these physical features are also called different landforms. Okay, what is that? Different landforms. And today we are going to learn 6 physical features that India is blessed with. What are they? The northern mountain ranges. First one, listen carefully. The northern mountain ranges. Second one, the northern plains. Third one, the great Indian desert. Fourth one, the plateau region. Fifth one, the coastal plain. Sixth one, the island. First one, the northern mountain ranges. Second one, the northern plains. Third one, Indian desert. Fourth one, plateau. Fifth one, coastal plain. And sixth one, island. Okay. So these northern mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Okay. First one. And they're also having mighty Himalayas in them. So we call northern mountains, and these northern mountains are covered with snow throughout the year, and later we can see this in detail. Okay. Look at this image here. Can you see this map? Yes. Okay. Very good. So first, that blue portion, upper part, blue portion, that is Himalayan range. Okay, the blue portion, that is Himalayan range, followed by the north. The green portion is northern plain. Okay, so that blue portion is Himalayan range, and that green portion, what is that? The northern plain. Then towards the northwest, yellow region, right? Have you all seen yellow region? Yes, that is Indian desert. So the blue portion, the Himalayan range, then the green portion, northern plain, that yellow region is Indian desert, and also we call it as Thar desert. Okay, and that orange or rose color, right? That is Deccan Plateau. What is that? Deccan Plateau, and actually it is in triangular shape. Okay, but in image that is not in triangular shape, something else. But that Deccan Plateau, it is in triangular shape. Okay, and the green around the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Some small image, right? Some small space, that green near to that Western and Eastern Ghats. That is coastal plain. Understood? So, the blue portion, Himalayan range. Next one, the green portion is northern plain. Then that yellow region is Indian desert or Thar desert. Then that orange or rose, that is Deccan Plateau. And the green around the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, that is coastal plain. Okay, dears. So, the same thing I have shown in video also. Have a look at that. Okay, have a look. I hope you will understand that easily. Okay, please look at the video and come back. The Himalayas. In that, Mount Everest. What is this, dears? Do you remember? Plains, right? The northern plains. Look at this. It is in triangular shape. Do you remember what is this? Plateau, right? Very good. Plateau. And what is this, dears? Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Around that, what is that? This is coastal plain. Okay. What is this, dears? Together around that Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, that is coastal plain. Thar desert, also known as Indian desert. This is island, okay? Lakshadweep Island. And this is Andaman and Nicobar Island. I hope you all understood this video, and if you have any doubts, I will rectify in interaction section. Okay, dears? So we will meet in the interaction section. Thank you, dears. Take care, and I will explain what is Northern Mountain Range, Northern Plains, Desert, Plateaus, Coastal Plains, Island, and all in next class. Okay, so today I gave just what is physical features. I hope you all understood. Thank you. Take care.